Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. Here on the FETCH.AI chart, I'm starting on the daily time frame just to show that we are still tracking overall bullish scenarios here. The thesis, the idea is still that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed on the 7th of April it was, and that we're now moving up in a fifth wave to the upside, and the move up should be classed as an ABC structure. So we're currently working our way higher in this A wave. As I explained in the last videos, I'm not entirely sure, do we get this additional BC? We will have to see. I can promise you this is a structure where we have to take everything level by level. I mean, it's an altcoin anyway. It's a fragile structure. It is a five-wave move up, so I'm looking for higher prices naturally. But it's important to understand that with altcoins, you know, we always have to take it level by level. We have to proceed with caution, and with a structure like that and an overall larger time frame chart, which is a bit messy, characterized by mainly corrective subwave structures, we have to be just extra cautious. So while I am looking for higher prices, I don't really want to look out any further than this C wave to the upside. So at the moment, we seem to be in the late stages of the A wave. Maybe we've already started the B wave. There is a support area on the smaller time frame that we're tracking that keeps the overall uptrend intact. We're focusing on the uptrend at the moment, and especially as long as the support area that I'm going to show you in a minute is holding, yeah, the overall pressure is up. So this is the C wave we want to see. And that would complete a larger three-wave move. If we get this and this, we will have to decide then. There will be a support area here, and we can watch that, but it will also depend a little bit on Bitcoin, yeah? Now, let us take a look at the smaller time frame for FET. On the smaller time frame chart, you can see here quite clearly this initial A wave that I mentioned. It's obviously now everything zoomed in with a little bit more detail. So everything looks a little different. We're now on the 1 hour time frame, but here you can see the low of the April swing low that formed at around 34.5 cents, and then a 5-wave advance, a 5-wave move up that started on that 7th of April. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We could have completed that initial 5-wave advance, and we are now in a pullback, which, as I said, we would label A, B, C. So this is one scenario. The support area that I promised I would show you is located between 42.2 cents and 62.6 cents. It's a standard support area that is relevant for a B-wave pullback. We know based on the chart context, and context is really everything, that the rally is an A-wave, which probably topped. The pullback would likely be a B-wave, and then there could be a C wave from there to the upside that will send us higher. I have not yet seen any clear evidence that the C wave to the downside has actually started. So the move up could be still unfolding as wave B. It is so far a 3-wave move up, absolutely, but the internal C wave is always a 5-wave move, right? So that might actually form another high. Also, the pullback we've seen seems to be a 3-wave move down, and especially as long as the swing low here is holding, we could get one more high. But again, this is just an assessment of the nanostructures. When you watch the video, there's always a little bit of a delay. When you watch the video, it might have already shifted. But that's exactly why we're offering our membership as well. So if you're interested in these kind of live updates and everything, really near-term, or very much immediate updates basically on the charts, check out our membership. The link is in the video description. Now, once this B wave has topped, we should get a 5-wave decline. I'm going to watch for evidence that wave 1 is finished. Then the wave 2 would confirm further that wave C has started, because it would be a lower high, and then we can look for the decline from there. Alternatively, we might see actually one more high. At the moment, the local trend is up, so until we see a micro 5-wave move down, we can still watch for higher prices. Next resistance is around 87 cents to 92 cents. So yeah, that's the update currently on FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.